Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is rice flour face pack for glowing skin. This face mask is so effective, works as a face mask and face scrub also. Let's get started. Start by taking a bowl and add all the magic ingredients. First, we have rice flour, known for its exfoliating properties. Adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Then honey, a natural substance that moisturizes the skin. Adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Next, we have milk, which helps to nourish and soften the skin. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of milk to it. We can adjust the consistency with milk later at the end. Adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with its soothing and healing benefits. Here I am using aloe vera gel from Wow. It is so pure and no color in it. And finally glycerin, which helps to retain moisture in the skin. Adding 1 tablespoon of glycerin to the mixture. Now mix everything together until you get a smooth paste. You can adjust the consistency with milk. And there you have it, our DIY rice flour face pack is ready. Apply this mask to your hands, face and neck. Not only mask but also works as a face and body scrub. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Now let's apply it to the face and neck. And there you have it, your skin will feel refreshed, rejuvenated and glowing. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.